Welcome to this information PowerPoint on construction studies. Construction studies is essentially the Leave Insert version of woodwork or wood technology. Junior cert subjects that would help construction studies the most will be those from the technology department. So woodwork, metalwork, technical graphics and technology. Just because construction studies is a follow-on essentially from woodwork does not necessarily mean that you have to have done woodwork for the junior cert. Any of the technology subjects, including art, will be very beneficial to you studying this subject. Like most subjects for the Leave Insert, construction studies is examined at higher and ordinary level. It is made up of three components: a written exam, a project and a practical skills test. The project and practical skills test are both marked at a common level, and then the written exam would determine essentially what level you take for your project and your practical skills test. An important area to know is the distribution of marks between all three components. At higher level it's 50% for the written exam, 25% then for your coursework and 25% then for your practical day test. At ordinary level it's just slightly different. So for your written exam it's 40% and then 30% each for your coursework and practical skills test. First we'll look at the written part of the assessment, better known as theory. It's assessed by a 3-hour written and drawn exam at the end of your 2-year course. Consists of building and drawing details and general building knowledge. Areas that would be looked at in theory would be planning and preparation, the substructure of a building, the superstructure of a building. Then you would have the services of that building. We would also look at sustainability in building, and then we would be looking at technical drawings and 3D models. So basically you're looking at bringing a site from its original grass position to its finished housing estate or once-off housing completed site. The next part of the exam that we'll look at is your coursework, or better known as your project. A project and portfolio are produced at the end of a 2-year course. The project undertaken can be scientific, architectural, heritage or furniture, as can be seen in the examples in this slide. Important to know that your project and portfolio are worth the same marks, so therefore it's 12.5% for your project and 12.5% for your portfolio, which should accompany your project. The final part of your exam will be a practical exam. It's a 4-hour exam undertaken in early May of the Leave Insert year. Basically what happens here is you're given a set drawing and a set amount of pieces and asked to produce this. Basically it's testing your hand skills on various woodworking joints, which you will practice throughout 5th year and 6th year in the lead up to this exam. Thank you for taking the time to review this construction studies information PowerPoint and for considering construction studies as one of your possible choices for the Leave Insert. Should you require any further information, please don't hesitate to contact Mr. Doyle or Mr. O'Keefe here in Crea College, and we will try and answer the questions that you pose. Thank you.